In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MiniMax text-to-speech. If you've ever wanted to transform written copy into clear, natural audio for demos, tutorials, or voiceovers, MiniMax makes the process simple and fast. In just a few clicks, you'll be on the text-to-speech page, typing your script, and generating a polished voice track. I'll guide you through each action so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. Start by heading to the MiniMax homepage in your browser. Using a modern browser helps everything load smoothly. Once the site opens, you're in the right place to access their audio tools. Next, click on Login. Sign in with your existing account to continue. Keep your credentials secure and avoid shared or public devices if you're working with sensitive drafts. After you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard and navigation that lead to the audio features. From here, click on MiniMax Audio. This section gathers all the sound-related tools, and it's where text-to-speech lives. You don't need to install anything or download plugins. Everything runs in the browser. On the audio page, choose text-to-speech. This takes you to a focused workspace designed for fast script-to-voice conversion. The layout is typically straightforward: a text field for your script and controls to generate your audio. Now type in your text. Write exactly what you want the voice to say. Clear punctuation helps the system pace sentences naturally. If a word has a tricky pronunciation, consider adding a phonetic hint in parentheses right after it so you remember how you'd like it to sound. Keep paragraphs short for easier pacing, and read your script aloud once to catch any awkward phrasing before you generate. When your text is ready, click on Generate. MiniMax will process your script and produce the audio. Give it a moment to finish. If the pacing or emphasis isn't quite what you wanted, simply refine your text, adjust punctuation, break long sentences, or add brief stage directions in brackets, and click Generate again to update the result. Iterating on the script is the fastest way to dial in a natural, confident read. That's the complete flow. Go to the MiniMax site, log in, open MiniMax Audio, select text-to-speech, type your text, and generate your audio. If something doesn't load, refresh the page and ensure your internet connection is stable. With these steps, you can reliably create clean voiceovers for any project in minutes.